Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to dim your screen below minimum brightness. So I have here application darker screen filter. So this is available on the Google App Store. So make sure to download this app and just simply tap on open once you have downloaded it. And from here, just simply select allow permission and just simply go back on the top left corner of the screen, and from here, as you can see, automatically it will be become darker right away. So from here, we could just simply go to the notification panel and tap on it. And from here, as you can see, we have a welcome message over here. Tap on OK. And from here, you will have an option to adjust the brightness. So from here, guys, just be careful with this one, because if you go too dark, you might not see anything anymore. And you will have here multiple options as well. So you could check these boxes over here. You could lower brightness to hardware minimum, and you could enable color filter, keep status bar brightness, allow going below 20%. So pretty much this is a simple interface on this application, and you can turn it on and off on the top right, and you will have the settings as well on the top right, and you will have your multiple options. So pretty much this is a simple application where it will let you lower your brightness, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.